Hi everyone! This video will look at measures of center using the Ti-84 calculator. A principal of a high school wanted to study the attendance of the student body. The principal looked at a random sample of 10 students and recorded their absences. The end of the year absences for the students are reproduced in the table below. Calculate the mean, median, and mode. For this problem, we were given 10 observations in a table that we need to put into the calculator. So first, we're going to click on the Stat button. The Edit menu appears. We want number 1 edit, so from here, we're going to push the Enter key. Now we can put the data in any one of these lists. L1 is available for me, so I'm going to type the data down L1. You'll notice that the data on the PowerPoint slide is in rows and columns. When we put it in the calculator, it's going to go down one column. So I'm going to type in 3, enter, 1, enter. Every time I enter a number into the calculator, I'm going to follow that with the enter key. So I'm going to continue going down the column. And now I've entered all 10 observations. So you'll notice at the bottom of the screen, it says L1 parentheses 11. That tells me that the next available row, which is blank, is row 11. I don't have any data in there, so I know my 10 observations are in L1. From here, I'm going to sort it in an ascending way so I can see the data in order, similar to what's on the PowerPoint. So from here, I'm going to click on the Stat key. I'm going to go underneath Edit, number 2, Sort Ascending. I'm going to click on the second key because I need to enter the list that my data is in, which is L1. If I click on the second key, it's going to make L1 on the 1 key available. L1's in blue and second is in blue. From here, I'm going to close my parenthesis and click on Enter. My screen says Done, which tells me that the operation has performed successfully. So from here, I'm going to click on the Stat key. I'm going to go to Edit, number 1, Edit. And you'll see now that we have all 10 observations in order. From here, I'm going to click on Second, Quit, so that I'm back to my main screen. And then I need the List option, which is available on the Stat key. So I need to click on Second, Stat for List. I'm going to arrow over to Math. The problem asked for the mean, the median, and the mode. So let's first compute the mean. So I'm going to arrow down to number 3, mean, and click on Enter. I'm going to click on the second button in L1, close my parenthesis, and click on Enter. And here it gave us the value of 4.3. So the mean or the average is 4.3. Now let's compute the median. So again, I'm going to click on Second, List. I'm going to arrow over to Math. I'm going to arrow down to the median. Click on Enter. And then click on Second, L1, close my parenthesis, and click Enter. And the median, which is the middle value of an ordered data set, is 3. Now let's take a look for the mode. The mode didn't appear as an option under the Math menu, but we can take a look at the mode from our list. So let's go back to the Stat key. Let's go to Edit, number 1, Edit, and press Enter. And then since this data was sorted in order, we can take a look at which observation has the greatest number of appearances. So 1 is available 2 times. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 instances of the value 3, 1, 5, 1, 7, 1, 8, and 1, 9. So in this example, the mode is 3, and there are 4 instances of the value 3. And now we're done.